This is our plantar fasciitis compression sock, and this is suitable for plantar fasciitis, plantar fasciosis, heel pain and plantar fascia pain. It's made of a high-tech compression material which has graded compression zones, essentially providing the least compression where you don't require it and the most compression acting as an offloading support to the plantar fascia. By supporting and offloading the plantar fascia, what we create is pain relief both here, but also we're taking the pressure off of the attachment of the plantar fascia to the heel, and that's where you're getting a lot of the heel pain from, as the tension is pulled through here. It's worn like a sock and is typically worn all day long. Some patients do wear it at night for additional pain relief.